Have you ever wondered what ties together the profound teachings of Neville Goddard, Florence Scovel Shinn, Ernest Holmes, Catherine Ponder, and other New Thought pioneers? These visionaries, spanning decades, discovered universal principles that unlock abundance, joy, and fulfillment for anyone willing to embrace them. Today, we'll explore the core teachings of these leaders, discover what they share in common, and end with actionable steps to help you manifest the life you truly desire. Stick around, because the final step ties their wisdom into a simple, practical process you can start using today. First, let's get started with Neville Goddard. You can find his videos and audios all over the internet. He is best associated with the law of assumption. Neville Goddard's teachings revolve around the idea that imagination creates reality. He believed that the key to manifesting your desires lies in the state of assumption. Goddard taught that whatever you assume to be true in your imagination becomes your reality. This means living as if your desires are already fulfilled. For instance, if you want wealth, feel the joy of being wealthy now, even before you see the physical evidence. He famously said, "Assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled and act upon that assumption." Here is an example. Imagine someone who wants a new job. Instead of focusing on the fear of being unemployed, they visualize themselves already in their dream role, experiencing the satisfaction and financial security that comes with it. Through this process, they align themselves with the reality they want to create. Neville's actionable principle. Spend 5 to 10 minutes daily visualizing a scene that implies your desire is already fulfilled. Feel it as real, using all your senses. Next up is the one person who introduced me to the whole New Thought world and changed my life forever. Florence Scovel Shinn emphasized the power of words. Florence Scovel Shinn introduced the idea that your words hold creative power. In her classic book, The Game of Life and How to Play It, she taught that affirmations and declarations shape your reality. Shinn emphasized speaking words of abundance, health, and success, while avoiding words of lack or negativity. She said, "Your word is your wand." This means the words you speak act like a magical spell, creating or destroying opportunities in your life. A struggling entrepreneur might replace the phrase, "I can't find any clients," with "the perfect clients are finding me now." Over time, this shift in language fosters confidence and attracts new opportunities. Her actionable principle: replace phrases like "I can't afford it" with empowering statements like "Money flows to me easily and abundantly." Here is another great pioneer, Ernest Holmes, and his book, The Science of Mind. Ernest Holmes, the founder of the Science of Mind movement, blended spirituality and logic. His teachings focus on the idea that universal laws govern all of life, and by aligning with these laws, you can create anything you desire. Holmes believed that thoughts are things, and they attract their likeness. He said, "Change your thinking, change your life." For him, understanding the creative process of the mind was essential for manifesting anything you desire. Holmes's teachings might inspire someone struggling with health issues to shift their focus from illness to wellness, affirming, "Every cell in my body radiates health and vitality." His actionable principle: practice daily gratitude for what you already have. Gratitude aligns your thinking with abundance and attracts more of it. Another one of my favorites is Catherine Ponder and her prosperity consciousness. You will find a lot of her videos on my channel here. As discussed in a previous video, Catherine Ponder uncovered the prosperity laws that govern wealth and abundance. She believed in creating a vacuum for prosperity, commanding wealth, and using prosperous words. One of her students was facing bankruptcy, but transformed their financial situation by decluttering their physical space, commanding prosperity, and shifting their mental dialogue about money. Within 18 months, they built a thriving business. Ponder's actionable principle: Declutter your physical and mental space to make room for prosperity. Command your desires with phrases like, "I now claim and accept my divine right to abundance." Next up, we move on to Joseph Murphy and his The Power of the Subconscious Mind. Joseph Murphy, author of The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, taught that your subconscious holds immense creative power. By feeding your subconscious with positive beliefs, it works behind the scenes to manifest your desires. Murphy emphasized the use of affirmations and visualization to reprogram the subconscious mind. He said, "As you sow in your subconscious mind, so shall you reap in your body and environment." Before bed, someone might repeat, "I am confident, capable, and successful," planting seeds of self-assurance in their subconscious that manifest as opportunities in waking life. His actionable principle. Before going to sleep, repeat an affirmation like, "I am abundant and everything I desire flows to me effortlessly." Here is another very famous New Thought leader, Louise Hay, and You Can Heal Your Life, is about self-love and healing. Louise Hay revolutionized self-help with her emphasis on self-love and affirmations. She believed that healing begins within and that loving yourself is the foundation of all positive change. Hay often said, "You have the power to heal your life, and you need to know that." Her affirmations focused on nurturing self-worth and breaking free from limiting beliefs. Someone struggling with low self-esteem might begin each day with the affirmation, "I deeply and completely love and accept myself." Over time, this practice builds a foundation for confidence and healing. Her actionable principle: start each day with a self-love affirmation. "I deeply and completely love and accept myself." Here are some additional New Thought leaders, and there is so much rich knowledge to be extracted from all their works. Wallace D. Wattles, author of The Science of Getting Rich. Wattles emphasized the importance of creative visualization and acting in a certain way to align with wealth. Ralph Waldo Emerson. Although not strictly a New Thought leader, Emerson's essays on self-reliance and the power of thought influenced many in this movement. What do these leaders have in common? Despite their unique approaches, these leaders share profound commonalities. Thoughts are creative. Whether through imagination, Goddard, affirmations, Shin, or subconscious programming, Murphy, they all teach that your thoughts shape your reality. Words have power. Florence Scovel Shinn and Catherine Ponder emphasize the importance of the language you use. Speaking positive words reinforces positive outcomes. Align with universal laws. Holmes and others taught that the universe operates on consistent, predictable laws. Aligning with these laws brings your desires to fruition. Belief is essential. Neville Goddard and Joseph Murphy stressed that belief is the cornerstone of manifestation. Without belief, your efforts will lack power. Action completes the process. While visualization and affirmations are important, taking inspired action solidifies your intentions in the physical world. Actionable steps to manifest your desired life. Now let's combine their wisdom into a step-by-step process. Clarify your desire. Write down exactly what you want. Be specific and vivid. For example, instead of writing, "I want more money," write, "I am earning $10,000 per month doing work I love." Visualize daily. Spend 5 to 10 minutes daily visualizing your desire as if it has already happened. Feel the emotions associated with achieving it. Speak with authority. Use affirmations like, "I am a magnet for abundance," or "Everything I desire flows to me effortlessly." Avoid words of lack or doubt. Create space for abundance. Declutter your home, workspace, or mind. Release anything that no longer serves you, making room for new opportunities. Gratitude practice. Each morning, write down 3 things you're grateful for. Gratitude shifts your mindset into alignment with abundance. Take inspired action. Follow your intuition and act on opportunities that align with your desires. Action bridges the gap between imagination and reality. Trust the process. Let go of doubt and impatience. Trust that the universe is working behind the scenes to bring your desire to you in the perfect way and time. Here we have come to the end of this discussion. I really hope you enjoyed this and learned a thing or two to help you on your manifesting journey. Manifesting isn't just about positive thinking or wishful dreaming. It's about aligning your thoughts, words, and actions with the principles of the universe. The new thought leaders have provided a roadmap for doing exactly that. Remember, prosperity isn't just your goal, it's your birthright. Take these steps, apply them consistently, and watch as your life transforms. If you found this exploration of new thought wisdom valuable, please like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear these transformative ideas. Let us know in the comments section below which author or principle resonates most with you and how you plan to implement it. Until next time, remember, you are the creator of your reality. Imagine it, command it, and live it.